Rust often draws comparisons to other popular languages like C, C++, Python, and JavaScript. While each language has its strengths, Rust offers a unique combination of features that set it apart. Compared to C and C++, Rust provides a safer and more secure coding environment. C and C++ are known for their performance, but are prone to memory-related errors. Rust eliminates these concerns with its ownership system and borrow checker. This ensures memory safety without compromising speed, making it a compelling alternative for systems programming. Python and JavaScript are popular choices for web development and scripting. They prioritize ease of use and rapid development. However, they may not match Rust's performance for resource-intensive tasks. Rust's speed and concurrency features make it well suited for building high-performance web servers, data processing pipelines, and more. Rust combines the best of both worlds, offering both performance and safety. This makes it an ideal choice for demanding applications. Rust's strength lies in its ability to provide both power and speed without compromising safety. This is achieved through its innovative ownership system and borrow checker. These features work together to prevent memory-related errors during compile time,